Did you know that Binance Labs invested projects have done on average 20 to 30x in the past year alone? So if you're new to this channel, my name is the Brutal Investor and this is the Brutal Investor channel, and my goal is to make you guys rich, brutally rich. So if you're here for the first time, please hit the like button, subscribe for more videos, and ping the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload cool videos like this in the future. So today we have a very interesting project that I want to let you guys know about and provide my 2 cents. And this project has a high chance of getting listed on Binance as well. And if you're watching this video, you're pretty much on the ground level of this project, and this project hasn't really exploded pretty well in the past, so you are basically buying this project at the ground level. So stay tuned to find out what this project is in this video. So the main token of interest in this video is called Bird.Money, and the ticker symbol is BIRD, Bird. And if you want to learn more about this project, you can go to the website www.bird.money in order to learn more about this project. But before we talk about Bird.Money, I want to talk to you guys about Get.io. Get.io, if you guys don't already know, is one of the major centralized exchanges that's known for listing low market cap gem tokens way before they get listed on other major centralized exchanges such as Binance and Coinbase. So what this means is, if you have a Get.io account right now, and if you invest in these low market cap gem tokens, you stand a chance to make 10, 20, 50 or even 100x gains on these cryptos, right? So if you don't already have a Get.io account right now, I have a really cool deal where you can get up to 30% in trading fee rebates when you use the link in the description to set up a Get.io account right now. And by doing so, you're not only getting an opportunity to make some really cool gains, but you're also getting 30% trading fee rebates on any trades that you make on their platform. And also the token that we're going to talk about today is only exclusively available in Get.io as the major centralized exchange. So you can't really find this token in any other major centralized exchange apart from Get.io. So if you use Get.io to buy this token, you can probably buy it at the lowest possible price so that you can make some really good gains once this token starts getting listed on other major exchanges, including Binance, right? So if you want to buy this token as well as other cool low market cap gem tokens, use the link in the description to set up a Get.io account right now and get 30% trading fee rebates as well as an opportunity to buy all these cool tokens right away. So please use the link to support this channel. So now that we covered Get.io, let's talk about Bird.Money itself. So before I talk about Bird.Money, I just want to let you guys know that all the information present in this video is not financial advice, it's just my personal opinion. And at the same time, any information that I provide should only be used for your reference purposes or informational purposes and should not be used in any way to do financial investment, right? So please do your own research before you put any of your hard-earned money onto this token. And all the information that I'm going to present today is going to be based on information present on CoinMarketCap's page. But if you want more information, you can go to the website, which is Bird.Money, right? So let's talk about what Bird.Money itself is. And for this, I'm just going to use some information from CoinMarketCap's page, and I'm going to do some quick analysis. It's not going to be thorough, so please go to their website because this project is loaded with a lot of information, right? So what is Bird.Money? Bird.Money is basically a platform that focuses on providing a decentralized Web3 user interface that uses your past wallet experience in order to determine a score that will tell them whether you are eligible to participate in a particular launchpad platform or whether you can borrow loans without having to provide a collateral, right? So that's basically what Bird.Money is in a nutshell. So all they do is they create a very sophisticated platform which will basically record your wallet transaction information from the past to basically assess a score stating whether you are a whether you are a good person to lend money to or whether it's risky to lend money to you. And based on your past activities, it will give you a score, which will basically provide you with an opportunity to borrow money from certain platforms without even having to give a collateral. And at the same time, you can also get other applications such as participate in launchpads and get specific terms curated for your wallet, right? So this is a huge deal in my personal opinion, because I feel like all the borrowing and lending platforms that you have currently basically require you to provide a collateral, and usually a collateral of up to 100% of your tokens, and they have limited collaterals as well, so you can't really put your exotic tokens to borrow money. And when you borrow money, you have very tight terms and high interest rates. At the same time, you can only borrow up to 50 to 60% of your collateral's value, right? And in the event of a flash crash, you basically end up getting liquidated if you're not very careful, right? So those are risks that are available in the current scenario. But this particular platform, Bird.Money, is trying to give us a new method by which we can borrow money. It basically provides you with an identity based on your wallet activity, as well as certain other criteria on how you interact with certain platforms. And based on that, you will be basically given an opportunity to get a credit score, if you can say that, on the Web3 space, which you can use for any applications in the Web3 space, right? So this is a very important innovation that Bird.Money is trying to bring to the table, even though this is not really new or novel, because a lot of other platforms have tried to do that as well. For example, LittenTree is one of the projects that is already working on this, but Bird.Money is trying to approach it in a slightly different way. They're trying to not only use your previous borrowing and lending information from your wallet, but they're also trying to assess other activities that you performed in your wallet overall, which makes this slightly different than LittenTree, right? So that's the main peripheral overview of what this platform is doing. And they have their own native token, which is called the Bird token, which is the token of interest in this video. And now that we basically given a peripheral overview, let's quickly go through the Bird token itself, right? So as I mentioned before, this token is basically the native token of this platform, and this token is currently ranked 1,504th by market cap on CoinMarketCap, and it's currently trading at $8.01 at the time I'm making this video, with a slight increase of about 0.29% in the past 24 hours. So clearly this token is slowly starting to get notoriety, and a lot of people are starting to slowly buy this token, which is why you can see a slight spike in the past 24 hours. As you can notice, the sticker price of this token is above $1, which means in the event of a bull market, this won't necessarily be the token that will be pumping immediately, because a lot of newcomers, they will be hesitant to put their money onto this token because it's over $1, right? Because usually inexperienced retail traders, they see a particular price of the token, and if it's less than $1, they'll probably be more likely to put their money onto this token, causing a pump. But this token, since it's trading at around $8 per token, it may not be that appealing to retail investors. So that's not a bad thing, because certain tokens need that kind of pump to pump their token, right? When it comes to the information of this platform itself, you can see, you can go to the website directly, which is Bird.Money, which is the official website. Please make sure you go to the right website from CoinMarketCap's page. Otherwise, there's a lot of scammers out there imitating this platform, right? Apart from that, you can also see that this is an Ethereum-based project, which is why the Ethereum smart contract information is available. One cool thing about CoinMarketCap is that they allow you to add this token to not only a MetaMask as per before, but you can also add this to your Trust wallet, which is also pretty cool, right? If you click on the More button, you can see that this is also a part of the BNB chain, which is why they have the BEP20 contract address as well as the Solana blockchain. So this token is available in multiple different chains already, which is a good thing. You can also buy it from Solana, right? But I think Ethereum and BNB chain would probably be the best options to buy. When it comes to the tags itself, this platform, one of the other important applications that this platform is trying to achieve is it's trying to also use its own native blockchain capabilities to become its own oracle. It doesn't want to rely on external sources to get information, so that's why the tags mention oracles as one of the tags. It's also on data analytics tool as well, because it provides a lot more than just providing you with an identity. It also provides other analytics, including NFT analytics, token analytics as well on their platform. And the self-reported tags for this token is, it's a DeFi project. It also allows for staking. It's a dApp. It's a blockchain platform on the Ethereum blockchain. And it's also focused on borrowing and lending as well, which will be pretty cool. They also offer wallet services, and they use AI and big data technology in order to achieve what they're trying to achieve, right? So that's why these tags are very relevant. And one of the reasons why I feel like this token could pump in the future is because of the fact that it has the AI/big data information. And AI, as you guys know, is becoming very popular these days. So I think AI is going to be one of the main theme for many crypto projects in the future, including this one, right? Now, if we go to the important information such as the market cap, you can see that this project is only $759,000 in market cap. It's even less than $1 million, which means you're pretty much at the ground level, and therefore any small amount of money that's injected into this project will pump the price of the token really well, right? So that's why I'm saying, if you guys don't already have this video as well as this channel subscribed, please hit the like button, subscribe for more videos, and ping the notification bell, because you can basically get nowhere this kind of content that you're getting from this channel, right? So please follow this channel for more updates, because I'm literally bringing you the token at the ground level, right? So with less than $1 million in market cap, I can easily see this token being at least a $10 to $15 million in market cap in the next bull rally. I obviously see a long-term potential for this project, but I feel like this project can immediately do another 10 to 15x in the next bull rally, right? Because of its market cap alone, right? When it comes to volume, as expected, since this is a little less well-known project, obviously because of its market cap and its popularity, the trading volume is not that great. There's only a trading volume of $18,667 in the past 24 hours, which is quite low. And it seems like the trading volume is also decreasing in the past 24 hours. So it seems like even though not a lot of people are trading this token, when they do trade this token, they're actually buying this token, which is why the token price is going up slightly in the past 24 hours. So that's very interesting to know. And obviously, if you look at the centralized exchange to decentralized exchange trading volume ratio, you can see that centralized exchange is predominantly where this token is traded at, and that centralized exchange is also Get.io. So if you want to use the link in the description to set up a Get.io account, you can do that right away, right? When it comes to decentralized exchange volume, you're only getting about $2,200 worth of trading volume, which is pretty low. But I think as more centralized exchanges start listing this, and as Binance lists this eventually in the future, you can see a slightly increased DEX trading volume as well, right? Even though I feel like predominantly people will continue to trade in the centralized exchanges. But if you do buy this token in the centralized exchange, including Get.io, even though I do like Get.io really very well, I feel like you should move that token to your wallet right away so that you can be safe, right? When it comes to the token supply, here you can see that this token, first of all, has a fixed supply, right? So the token has a fixed supply, number one, which is a good thing. The token also has a very low token supply. In fact, it has one of the lowest token supplies in the crypto space. It only has a max supply of 140,000 tokens, right? So that's also really good when it comes to tokenomics. And the third and the most important point is that you can already see that the circulating supply of this token is close to 68% of its max supply, which means about 68% of the tokens are in circulation, and that means there's no real inflationary based price slumping for this token that can happen in the short term, mid term, or even long term, which means this is one of the scarcest as well as one of the most high quality tokenomics for any crypto projects in the space that we covered so far, right? So I think this project has a high chance of pumping really well, even if only a small amount of money is injected into this project, right? So that's one of the reasons why I feel like I have to bring this project to your attention right away, because this project can pump really hard because of its fundamentals as well as because of its tokenomics as well. So obviously this is a great project that I personally want to invest in as well, right? So when it comes to other information wise, we are going to go to the charts, which is going to give you some information on how this token has performed in the past. So if you look at the charts, the initial price of this token was $10.25 as of 9th of December 2020. This was when the token was initially launched, and then the token right away started pumping, reaching its first all-time highs of $146.94. This was as of 28th of January 2021. So clearly this token reached 100x already in the past, and then it took a small breather, reaching $78.31, and then it started shooting up again, immediately reaching a price of $248 per token, which is crazy if you ask me. So right off the bat, it reached 200x right from its initial launch price of $10, which is amazing if you ask me. And this price was reached as of 15th of March 2021, and then the token was kind of volatile for a bit before crashing down to a price of $28.89 as of 21st of July 2021, and then kind of moved up and down, but it did make another pump reaching its current all-time highs of close to $277, which is crazy if you ask me. And for people who already invested in this project way back in the early days, you guys must have made a lot of money, so kudos to you guys. And the current all-time highs was reached as of 13th of November 2021, and then from then on this project started dumping like crazy, and currently it's at a price of $8.01, right? So as you can clearly see, this project already has a proven track record of pumping like crazy in the past. So this is the best time to buy this token. I can't really say this enough, because this is basically the best opportunity to get your hands onto this token, because it clearly has proven itself to be a huge pumper in the past bull markets, as well as even before that as well, right? I think it started pumping as early as 2020, and even the 2021 bull market did pump like crazy, and now you're getting it at a significant discount, which is going to be a really good buying opportunity if you ask me. And you need to definitely do your own research, but if you do want to buy this token, I would suggest you to buy it at this price, or even at around like maybe $7.50 to $8.50 would be a good range to buy this token, right? So please look into that if you want to buy this project, right? When it comes to the amount of money that you can put into this token, a lot of people ask me that question from time to time. I personally feel like this project is going to get a Binance listing guaranteed in the future, and I can also show you why I believe so in a few minutes. But if you take a look at this project, it has really strong fundamentals, strong tokenomics, has a fixed supply, also a very scarce token, just 140,000 tokens in total, and the fundamentals have already been shown from the previous bull rallies, right? So I think this token is a really safe token to buy, and therefore I would basically suggest putting at least $100 into this token, which is the lowest risk that you could take. And if you put $100, you'll get 12.49 tokens at the time of making this video. And I mentioned to you that this token has an easy chance of pumping to 10 to 15x the next bull rally, but that's basically very conservative, right? I think this token has already proven that it can do 100x or 200x easily. So if this token can do 100x or 200x in the past, I think it can do more than that in the future, right? So, but for the purpose of this argument, let's basically mention that this token is going to do a minimum of 10x. So if this does a 10x, your $100 will become $1,000 in the next bull rally, right? For a little bit of a riskier investment, if you want to invest more money into this token, I would suggest you to put no more than $500, which would give you 62.43 tokens at the time of making this video. And same logic, if this token does a 10x, it's going to give you $5,000 from a $500 investment, which is pretty crazy if you ask me. So if you're a degen player who wants to invest more money, obviously there's no limit to how much money you can invest. But if you want to go degen, and if the first time you want to go degen on, then you can put in $1,000 into this token, and you'll get 124.87 tokens at the time of making this video. And if this does a 10x, easily you could make $10,000 from your $1,000 investment. Pretty straightforward math. Again, these are by no means investment advice. Please make sure that you put the money that you feel comfortable putting into this token, right? So the final place where you can go on CoinMarketCap's page is obviously the markets page. This will tell you where you can buy this token from. And as I said, there's very little centralized exchanges that have listed this token. In fact, there's only one major reputed centralized exchange, which is Get.io. All the other exchanges I don't really trust. But if you want to buy this token from Ethereum blockchain, Uniswap version 2 is the only decentralized exchange where you can buy this token from, but you need to pay high gas fees. The best option would probably be PancakeSwap, because you are buying it in the comfort of your wallet, and you can buy this with Wrap BNB, and you will still have custody of your tokens, right? The best centralized exchange is obviously Get.io, and Get.io is kind enough to offer two trading pairs, USDT as well as Ethereum. So if you want to buy it with USDT or Ethereum, you can buy this token from those exchanges. But apart from that, I would not suggest you to go anywhere below Get.io, because there's another exchange called FMFW.io as well as CoinW. I've never heard about these exchanges, so I would not recommend you to put your money onto these exchanges. But if you have prior experience working with these exchanges, please by all means do what you want to do. But for people who have never touched these exchanges, I would suggest you to stick with just Get.io for centralized exchange, and for Uniswap and PancakeSwap for decentralized exchange, right? And as you can also see, between Get.io, PancakeSwap, and Uniswap, you can see that there's a lot of like arbitrage opportunities as well. If you see, you can buy this token from PancakeSwap, transfer it to Ethereum, and then sell it on Uniswap for a really good arbitrage trade opportunity, right? So that is also available if you guys are a short-term investor and want to make money while trading this token on a daily basis, right? So again, before I tell you guys my final thoughts on this token, I want to basically go to Bird.Money, and right off the bat you can see on the top section of their official website, you can see that Binance Labs has officially incubated this project, right? Which is one of the reasons why I'm telling you guys that this is a possibly guaranteed Binance listing in the future. It's not going to happen anytime soon because they literally, the Bird.Money project has actually participated in the season 3 of the incubator program. So it's relatively new. So I don't think Binance is going to list this token right away. Maybe I would say probably towards the end of the year 2023 or early 2024 is probably when Binance could probably list this token, or maybe towards the next bull rally is when Binance can list this token. But till then, you have a lot of time to do your research on this project and buy this token even before other exchanges that could list this token, right? So that's one of the reasons why I'm saying that this is a guaranteed Binance listing opportunity, because Binance has literally invested their money onto this token. So this project succeeding is directly going to benefit Binance. So you can take advantage of that right away, right? So what's the final verdict on this token, guys? I think this token has a lot of great things, which is going to make me really bullish on this token, because if you see, token fundamental wise, they're offering something really cool. One of the introduction that I gave you during the introduction of this video, I gave you some information about this highlights of this project, but there's a lot more to that, because they have their own lending and borrowing platform. They are providing analytics. They're also offering Oracle services. So they're not just about providing you with a decentralized identity, they're also providing you more for a particular platform, right? So that's why I say the fundamentals is very strong with this project. So that's one thing. And then when it comes to the price of the token itself, even though the price is higher than $1, it's still affordable for a lot of people. So people can easily buy this token better than many other projects that have token prices above $10 per token. So that's one more good thing. And the market cap wise, this is dirt cheap market cap. It's literally at the ground level. It's less than $1 million in market cap. So you can't really go wrong with this. Even if this token doubles in market cap, you'll get a 2x easy gains, right? But I feel like at the bare minimum, it will at least pump 10x in the next bull rally. The tokenomics is extremely strong. This is a very scarce token. There's only 140,000 tokens overall, and this has a max supply, so it won't be more than that, more than 140,000 tokens anytime in the future. The token also has a circulating supply of 68% of the tokens, which is extremely good if you ask me. And this token is only going to, as all the tokens get circulated in the market, you're only going to feel the price of this token pumping right away, right? So that's one more good thing. And the fourth good thing is that this project also has a proven track record of pumping like crazy in the past. So it's already crossed the $100 mark and the $200 mark. In fact, it's already crossed the $250 mark per token price point, and now it's available at a dirt cheap price of $8 per token or $7.99, depending on when you're watching this video. So that's great, because you can easily buy this token at a significant discount and wait for it to pump in the next bull rally, right? And the final great thing about this project is that it's a Binance Labs invested project, and this project is currently only available in one major centralized exchange, which is Get.io, and pretty much nobody is talking about this token. So you are getting it at the ground level if you buy this token at this price point, right? So all these things make me feel really bullish about this project, and I'm personally going to buy a decent bag of this project. That's just my personal opinion. I'm not expecting you to buy it just because I'm buying it. Please make sure you do your own in-depth research to feel comfortable about this project before putting money onto this token, right? So that's pretty much it, guys. That's it for the video. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and hit subscribe for more videos. Please don't forget to ping the notification bell so that you can get more cool updates the moment I upload these videos, right? So I'll see you in my next video. Bye.